26 simula 9 AM. Ayan ang nanay ko nagcha-chop-chop. Kakatapos ko lang mag-prepare ng sisig at kare-kare. Kaya ayan ang belly natin. 9 belly lang po tayo kasi grabe ang panahon, paiba-iba po. Ay hindi pala pa paiba-iba. Talagang uulan. Sana tumigil na pa naman makapagtinda na tayo ng sunod-sunod. Ayan ang belly natin. Katabi lang po natin ay Don Binakayan, Kawit, Cavite. Katapat lang ay Wiltec, Binakayan, Kawit, Cavite. Kaya ano po inaantay nyo? Punta na po kayo. 9:27 AM pa lang po. Ipopost ko na agad to. Makakatikim kayo ng lechon namin sa halagang 100 pesos lang with Java rice and Andy juice na yan pag dito kayo kumain. So tara, pasok na muna tayo. Ayan ang nanay ko, oh. Kape-kape tayo. Oh, kape-kape at gatas-gatas muna. Hindi ako nagkakape, gatas tayo. Ayan si kuya, oh. Ayan si Angel, nagsasarsa. At nandito yung asawa ko. Ang masipag kong asawa ay, eto na siya, naligo siya sa ulan. Ay, ang pogi niya talaga, parang si Piolo. So, ayun na, pinaprepare na namin yung sisig at kare-kare. Kaya, tara, pumunta na kayo dito. Pwede kayong mag-message na agad sa Messenger, sa FB page natin, sa La Chinera FB page. Kaya, order na kayo kasi mabilis na lang sana ito maubos. At sana ubusin nyo, 9 AM hanggang maubos, ha. Baka, depende kung hanggang gabi, pero sana hanggang tanghali lang, depende po. Kaya, kung gusto nyo, ganito yung 100 namin, ha. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Opo, Tupperware daw. 100 pesos lang, ha. Kaya ano po yung naantay nyo? Ah, sige, ayan ang nanay ko, oh.
Tapos apat pa, take out. Make rice po na.
Papain niya akong Tupperware.
Tupperware?
Yeah.
Ano Tupperware, ma? Pangit, oh.
Tupperware, kalating Tupperware.
Ah, kalating kilo. Tupperware. Ayun guys, oh, 100 pesos. Makakatikim na kayo ng lechon. Ma, oh, kalating kilo. Dito na lang. May juice po dyan. Baka gusto nyo ito po baso. Ito po yung juice po. Free lang po yan.
Libre?
Apa.
Ay, may bitchin ako dito.
Ay, sige po.
Hindi mo na. Top? Top? Oo, top. Dahil balata. Kano hap?
Kalating
750 po. Isang kilo ay 1/4. Okay, tay. Tayo po. Ayan. So, ito na ang kalating kilo, guys. Okay. Kumain niyo muna ako mag-prepare. QR, pwede po.
Magkasama yan ate, linang minutes.
Opo. 5 mil, ma.
Oo, sino yung 5 mil?
Kay Kuya Ben. Sa'yo
Kay
rin po yung
Kuya?
5 mil? Ah, sa iliwalay po. Lahat kilo. Ayan. Ito ang aming 100 pesos na lechon. Fresh na lechon to guys, ha? Hindi to frozen. Kasama ng juice yan, ha?
Kaya kuya. Ay! Ay, sorry.
Walang rice.
Po. Ito po yung per gram po.
Magkano po?
375 po.
Ha?
375.
75.
Opo.
700 kalate, no?
750 po.
Sige, bigyan mo ako kalate.
Kalati po.
Sa tag, ma? Or...
Sa pagbukas lang sa... Opo.
Let's go na. Magsasap-sap na ako. Kaya mamaya na lang. Punta na kayo, ha? Ayan, oh. Panayin natin sa halagang 100 lang. Makakatikim kayo ng masarap na lechon. Ay, kaya pinantay nyo. Ayan na. Bye-bye. Message na sa FB page. Lechonera FB page, ha? Tapos, pwede din naman kayo mag-book na ipin nyo lang doon, Binitis Bilakayan Kawit Cavite. Pag hindi po nagre-reply sa inyo ang FB page natin, pwede kayo mag-book agad. Ipin nyo sa location, Don Binitis Bilakayan Kawit Cavite. I-notes nyo na lang na pabili po na lechon sa tabi ng Don Binitis Bilakayan Kawit Cavite. Kayo pa mo magbabayad sa Winnie Rider, no? Bye-bye! Simula 9 AM, Wednesday to Sunday po, Monday, Tuesday, walang tinda, umulan po open day po tayo. Bye-bye! See you! May heart singit ko lang buong Maynila, buong Cavite, pwede po madeliveran kahit sa parte ng Maynila, kahit sa parte ng Cavite, pwede, okay? Kaya ayan, may heart oh. Ang dami-dami habang juicy at crunchy at pumunta na kayo, i-book nyo na yan at mag-message na kayo at kailangan ko nang kumilos. Mamaya na kayo ha, mag-live na ako, abangan nyo yung live natin kung magdaragyo hanggang maubos, kaya dahil na kayo, ubusin nyo to guys and tikman nyo ulit siya namin, okay? Bye-bye! Sige na. Mamaya na lang, yun na lang sasabihin ko. Message na sa FB page. Kahit Batangas pala, kahit Bulacan ng Tipolo, kayang-kaya. Basta kaya nila Lamar, pwedeng-pwede yan. Kahit sambat na kayo ng Maynila, Cavite, pwedeng-pwede. Kahit Sulo pa. Ayun oh. Grabe. Habang juicy at crunchy pa. At talagang, naku. Yun lang, mag-timeline ko kasi ang tagal kong crinate to. 4 na araw tayong walang tinda, kaya kailangan natin bumayad at magsipag, okay? Para may panggala tayo. Pero diyan lang, may pambayad sa bahay, sa kuryente. Ay naku, may bayaran na naman. Eh, babay naman!
Anong wifi?
Ayan na. Magsisipag para hindi maputulan, ha? Bye-bye! Sarange, opa. Sarange.
For breakfast today, I have some Peking duck noodles, bon appetit cheese. I'm getting my nails done today in like 30 minutes. But I haven't had Peking duck noodles in so long. I love duck noodles, especially when the noodles are made of eggs. And the duck is crispy. Yesterday, why was yesterday? I was in LA yesterday. I went to a Laneige skin care masterclass. I know, very LA of me, but I did a little bit of shopping. So I went to the Brandy Melville at the Grove and I got a really cute set. And I've been into sets for a super long time. Well, to be fair, you know how teal is super in right now and stripes are super in right now? Yeah, I fell for it and I got a teal striped tank top from Brandy Melville. And then I was like, where's the matching shorts? Because like I feel like this top would have matching shorts. But the stripes were kind of like white and whitish gray with teal, so then I got whitish gray boxer bottoms. To match with it. And then I went back home to Orange County and I hung out with my friend Helen and her sister and we went to Irvine Spectrum. I went squishy shot hunting and went to the Brandy Melville at Irvine Spectrum, and lo and behold, they had the teal striped boxer pants, but they didn't have a tank top. So I'm like, oh my god, why are these two Brandys that are literally like over 50 miles away from each other like having like the pieces of the matching set? Anyway, I had already bought the gray one today, like earlier, so I didn't buy the teal boxer briefs. But then I realized the teal boxer briefs are like kind of ugly with the tank top. So I was happy with not buying it. And I don't have a shopping problem, which I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's very easy for any 20-year-old girl to go to have a shopping problem, especially if you go to Brandy Melville, 2 different Brandy Melvilles twice in a day. I didn't buy anything. I only bought the set. And I immediately wore the set after I bought it in LA. I literally went home to my apartment, changed to the set. Yeah, I know. I didn't even wash it. I was so excited to wear it, I didn't even wash it. And I wore it all day yesterday. And then I hung out with my family. The kids already started school, so we had early dinner at like 7:45. And my aunt made baked wild salmon with rice and green beans. And then I hung out with my little cousins. My little boy cousin was building something, so I helped him build a toy. And then my girl cousin was making a birthday basket, so I was helping with that. And today, my friends are doing a beach house party. A different group of friends, actually. We're doing like I don't even know. I just know that like someone has access to a beach house tonight, and so we're doing like a little kickback. I don't even know if I'm supposed to wear a swimsuit. Like, are we going in the water or I don't know. Wow, I love duck noodles. So good. The noodles are kind of soggy, as you can see, but it's fine. I'm eating my brother's leftover noodles. And then, what else do I have for the rest of the week? I don't know. My classes start next month, so I literally still have a month of summer left. Okay. I literally have to go to my nail appointment like right now. Bye. Well.